You wake up at 6:47 a.m., 7 minutes before your alarm. Your body knows. It's been doing this for 4,847 days, almost 13 years at the same company. You tell yourself it's security, a good salary, benefits, stability. But as you stare at the ceiling, there's this feeling you can't quite shake. You're making more money than your parents ever dreamed of, and somehow you are more broke than ever. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why that's not a coincidence. It's by design. This is the salary trap. Let me introduce you to Sarah. She's 34, makes $85,000 a year. On paper, she's in the top 20% of earners in her country. She should feel rich. She doesn't. Sarah gets paid every 2 weeks. That's $3,216 before taxes. After taxes, it's $2,458.